Imagine a conference that's more than just a meeting. It's a catalyst for change. From company-wide offsites to sales conferences and talent summits, at Impact, we understand the power of collective experience. Our large group learning sessions are custom designed to meet your business needs. Whether we support all or part of your event, we'll deliver tangible experiences where you can successfully launch your strategies, engage leaders, and drive growth across your entire organization. Our large group learning sessions are more than a day out of the office. They'll empower your talent with unforgettable learning experiences, turbocharge your teams, and set you up for organizational success. Speak to us today to see how Impact can make your next large group event one to remember.